Coming up next, I woke up a little earlier than normal to check out the solar eclipse. Here in Seattle, we didn't get the full eclipse, but nonetheless, it was still pretty cool. Let's flash back to some photos that I have way back in 2017. Let's get right into it and witness the amazing eclipse. Hey, it's Chi. It's early. Wait, what time is it? Let me find out. It's about 9:32 and we have an eclipse going on. We don't have the full eclipse here in Seattle, but I have my camera set up. You could probably see it. I gotta make sure that's coming in clear, but we do have an eclipse. It kind of got a little bit dimmer than normal. You can see the shadows. And I think it already passed by us. I was in the middle of getting ready and I was kind of late. But you kind of see how dim it got. Luckily, the sun came out. But it's kind of cloudy. It's kind of overcast. So, yeah. The last time we had an eclipse, we had a pretty much close. I think we did have a, what's it called? Annual? I don't know what it means. I'm not a scientist. But we did have that. And then everything went dark for a second, which was kind of cool. You could hear the dogs barking and everything. I think that's what we had earlier. I heard dogs and you could hear like a bunch of like animals, or just dogs, I guess, like making noises when it happened. So that was about 10 minutes ago. I'm gonna look at my camera to see if I'm getting it clear. Milo, come here. my camera is doing this automatic focus. Since the lens is kind of old, it doesn't have a good tracking, so hopefully it comes in clear. You can hear a little clicking noise. That means it's trying to focus on the camera. You hear the clicking noise. It's trying to focus on the moon as it kind of moves. And right now you can see it's kind of like moving down. So it's starting to go. It's starting to get a little bit lighter now. Yeah, you're not supposed to look directly at the sun. It's kind of bright. We have the buddy here though. Let's bring Milo out. So Milo, you want to see the eclipse? We got Milo here hanging out. I don't want to bring him out here. He's going to end up running around in the grass. So, hey Milo, we saw the eclipse together. What do you think about it? Pretty cool?
Nope.
So if you look at it right now, it just looks like nothing. Just a big bright sun. You need like filters and different kind of like things to block the sun to see it better. Right now I have like a polarizer, and then I set the settings like at f22. It's probably going out of focus, but it's starting to disappear now, so that was pretty much it. I'm gonna try to get back in focus to show more video. You can hear in the background, hopefully, there's dogs barking. That means the moon and the sun is tripping out. So you got the animals going crazy right now. The last time I saw the eclipse was way back in 2017. I don't have videos, or maybe I do, it's probably lost, but I have photos that I found. Take a look at these ones. So that was it for the eclipse. I wish we had a big one or the full eclipse where you could see the ring of fire, but this was pretty cool nonetheless. So if you like these kind of videos, I'm Chi. Please like and subscribe. Comment, did you see the eclipse in your area? Well, if you do, let me know in the comments below. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. This is Chi, and I'm out. Boom!